I am P. Sendil Kumar. I am working as an professor, Rover Engineering College. Today, topic discuss about the EMF equation of DC generator. EMF equation of DC generator. EMF mean electromagnetic force. DC generator already discussed. Let the DC generator EMF equations. Pi is equal to flux per pole in Weber. P is equal to number of poles. Z is equal to number of armature conductor. N is equal to armature speed in RPM. RPM in revolution per minute. A is equal to number of parallel path. Since the EMF induced in the conductor is equal to rate of change of flux cut. E is equal to d pi by dt. dt is equal to 60 divided by n. d pi means flux. dt is equal to time dependent. E is equal to d pi by dt. dt is equal to 60 divided by n. n second. 60 is second. d pi is equal to b pi. d pi is equal to b pi. Conductor induced EMF is equal to d pi by dt. So substituting for d pi is equal to value available, dt is equal to value available. So d pi is equal to dt is equal to p pi divided by 60 divided by n. N equal to n is equal to denominator transfer to numerator. Is equal to p pi n divided by 60 volts. Since Z by A conductor in series in the each parallel path, the EMF induced. Eg is equal to the same equation, right up the next step. Eg is equal to N P pi 60 bracket Z divided by A. So parallel path of the EMF induced. So Eg is equal to N P pi divided by 60 bracket Z by A is equal to pi Z n divided by 60 into P divided by A. So rearranging the equation, pi Z n 60 divided by P into A is equal to volts. EMF is equal to pi Z n divided by 60 into P divided by A volts. The construction of the DC generator EMF equation pi Z n divided by 60 into P divided by A volts. So the construction wise, winding is laminated for armature. Lab winding is equal to A is equal to P. Wave winding A is equal to 2. The note the point, lab winding A is equal to P. Wave winding A is equal to 2. The substitution of problem solved for the EMF equation, the substituting lab winding and wave winding. Thank you.